Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Android enforces system UI integrity for notifications and status bar behavior. This prevents ordinary apps from restoring an old notification bar. Launchers cannot change the core notification shade on Android 10 or later. The only viable method is a system-level modification like a custom ROM or a patched system UI. That requires unlocking the bootloader and replacing the system partition. You must accept device-level risks and follow precise steps to avoid bricking your phone. First, unlock your bootloader using the manufacturer fastboot commands for your device. Next, install TWRP recovery so you can flash images and make backups. Download a compatible custom ROM or an older system image, often about 1.5 GB compressed. Make a full Nandroid backup in TWRP to preserve your current system and data. Grant a DB and fastboot access on your computer and have USB debugging enabled. Confirm the ROM supports the older notification bar or includes the desired system UI. Connect your phone and enable USB debugging before you begin. Use a DB reboot bootloader, then fastboot flashing unlock to unlock the bootloader on compatible devices. Flash TWRP with Fastboot Flash Recovery, TWRP. IMG and boot into recovery immediately. In TWRP, make a Nandroid backup and then sideload or install the custom ROM zip. Flash vendor or modem images if required, and then wipe cache and Dalvik before rebooting. Be aware this will often wipe user data and may void warranty and security protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.